Hi, welcome to Bobbins and Bows of Bear YouTube tutorial for how to pick up stitches, the basics. So I've got Amazon Super Chunky, and I've done a sample piece here with a bit of garter stitch at the bottom and then a plain piece of stocking stitch. So we're going to pick up our stitches along this edge like we would if we were knitting a cardigan, something like that. And I'm using 9mm needles, because generally when you're doing the welts of a garment you'd use a slightly smaller needle than you would for the main piece. For the main piece I used 10mm needles, and on this I'm going to use the 9mm to pick up the stitches along this edge. So I've picked a contrasting colour. It's not that contrasting, but just enough for you to see, I think. So it's a grey, and I'll be using this to pick up the stitches. So to pick up your stitches, you don't pick them up right on the edge. Use the middle of the first full stitch in from the edge. So along there. You can go further in if you wish. If you feel these stitches are not stable, you could go another one in. But the middle of the first full stitch, I'll bring it a bit closer, see if you can see a little bit better. So you don't want to be picking up these edge bits. That's your first full stitch. It's down the middle of there. So there's a little bit of stocking stitch, garter stitch at the bottom there. So we do the same. So I would go down, and I kind of ignore the bump when you're trying to find where to actually pick up. So you go down and it would be at the bottom here. So just there. Okay. I'll show you again. Okay. So like I was saying, that's your first full stitch in the middle there, and you follow it all the way down to the bottom and put your needle in. That's where your first stitch is going to go. So then you get your wool. You might have to use a contrasting colour, whichever one you're using for your welts, and you make a small loop like that. Put that over your needle. Okay, and then you bring that loop through to the front of your work. That is your first stitch. Okay, so then you'll go further. You go to the next stitch, sorry. So if you open it up a little bit, this is super chunky, so you can see the stitches a little better. There's the bar there that separates the stitch. So you go into the next one. Now it's not attached to anything, any of this, so be careful you don't lose your loop. So bring your wool round, a bit like you're making a stitch, and bring it back to the front. So that's your first two stitches. So if you want to tie them off now, you can do. So turn it over and just tie in a knot. Okay. So we've done two stitches there. So go into the next one. Let's stitch up. Make sure you've got your ball end of the wool, wrap it round and bring it through. So you've got three stitches. Now generally you pick up whatever it tells you to pick up, but you pick up 3 stitches in a row and then you miss one. So the next one would be there. So we go to the next one. You miss that one out. This should give you roughly the right amount. So it's 3 and miss one. 1, 2, yep, 3. Oops, missed that one. So 3, miss 1, 3, and then we miss 1. So the next one would go there. So we're going to need to go to the next one. So this is the way designers usually pick up stitches along a straight edge. It would be 3, miss 1, 3, miss 1. So if you're picking up an edge on the garment and you don't have any numbers for it, so if you've changed it, this is what you would do to get a nice even edge. So it's 3. So Missed that one there. We'll go to this next one. One, 2, 3, and then we'll miss one, so that would be the one. We'll go to that one. Two, 3. Make sure they're all loose enough. That's it, and then we would miss that one, go into the top one. There we go. And obviously you check your stitches as you go along and check that they're all, you're getting the right amount. So that, put your arrow a bit, there, we picked up those. You can see they sit nicely along that straight row. You've got no gaps or funny edges. Okay. I'll just take it out a little bit. We'll knit it just to show you what it looks like. So I'll just do knit one per one, and then I can show you what it looks like. So this is the welts. I've cast them off, and as you can see, it gives you a lovely, lovely neat edge. Okay, and that's what you want. Finishing off is always something you want to get right. There you go. And don't feel that's too bulky. That is as it should be. And it does sit nice and flat when you wear your garment. Okay. So I hope that was helpful. And don't forget that this was done on a straight piece. So if you're picking up stitches on other garments, on necks or curved edges, I will be doing some more videos on those. I'm knitting loads of stuff at the moment, so every time I come across something that I think you would like to see, picking up stitches on unusual garments and things like that, I will make sure the videos go on. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.